How are you? I love that hair. Go
Thank
ahead.
you.
Work that. Rock
Thank
that.
you. It is an honor and privilege to speak with you. You are an
Thank you.
icon living.
Thank you.
Your body of work is just absolutely spellbinding. So let's just talk a little bit about really quickly, just about the power of Black fatherhood, however it shows up
Yeah.
when the father is making the effort to
Yes.
show up.
Yes,
right?
yes. I'll say this. I'm a father. That's my son standing right over there. Raise your hand, D. Raise your hand.
Raise your hand, son. Raise it up, son.
That's my son. And, love him to death. And so I know about fatherhood, right?
Right.
And I know that oftentimes fathers fall between the cracks in this society. Moms do a fantastic job, no question, right? But the fathers who are there, who are present, negotiating their families, negotiating their kids, I stand up for that because that's what